Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the TC inner case and the box of first off the line prizm. Oh, and one spot in the first off the line iMac break. So whoever ends up in spot 1 will end up with the spot in the first off the line iMac break. So yeah, forgot about that. 621, 35. Top spot after the draw will get first of line iMac spot. Okay, so we'll do a dice roll. We're going up, we're going again. We do it again. 3. Now we'll just find out now. 3. 1, 2, and 3. Quartermain gets it. That one anymore. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So, teams are who? Quartermain with the Cavs. It's not this guy. That one. Quartermain with the Cavs. Bots with the Knicks. Hurley with Celtics. James Irvine, Spurs and Sixers. Jason Aire, Pistons. Bowman Rockets. Lanyon Pacers. Charles Bucks. Hurley Blazers. Dale Wizards. Hurley Thunder. Glenbow Clippers and Wolves. Dale Pelicans. Michael Lanyon Magic, Austin Kelsey Grizz, Van Houten Raptors and Hornets, Matt Brown Kings, Michael Lanyon Nuggets, Matt White Mavericks, Glenbow Nets, Kiwi Hawks, Lanyon Heat, Glenbow Lakers, Hurley Warriors, Ray Cora with the Jazz, Coulson Bulls, and Austin Kelsey with the Suns.